Today I am reviewing the Google Pixel Watch 4 41mm. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Google Pixel Watch 4 41mm is a beautifully crafted Android smartwatch designed to bring next-level health, fitness, and smart connectivity to your wrist. With a polished silver aluminum case and the Iris Active Band, this smartwatch blends style and functionality seamlessly. One of the first things you'll notice is the Actua 360 dome display, which is 10% larger and 50% brighter than the previous Pixel Watch 3. It's also covered with scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass, ensuring durability while maintaining an elegant, modern look. Whether you're checking notifications, monitoring your health, or simply glancing at the time, the display delivers crisp, vibrant visuals that are easy to read in any lighting condition. Built into the Pixel Watch 4 is Gemini, Google's AI assistant, which takes your smartwatch experience to a whole new level. You can ask questions, get personalized responses, and even manage tasks like setting reminders, controlling smart home devices, or replying to messages with AI-powered quick replies that are contextually relevant. This makes it much more than just a fitness tracker. It's a fully capable personal assistant on your wrist, helping you stay productive and connected throughout the day. The health and fitness features of the Pixel Watch 4 are impressive. With heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and over 40 exercise modes, you can monitor your performance and progress in real time. The watch tracks steps, calories burned, and even provides insights into your sleep patterns, helping you make data-driven decisions about your health and wellness. For runners, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts, the dual-frequency GPS ensures highly accurate route tracking, giving you reliable information on distance and pace even in challenging environments. Battery life has also been greatly improved with this model. You can enjoy up to 30 hours of use on a full charge, and if you activate battery saver mode, it extends up to 48 hours. The new side charging dock allows for a rapid charge, giving you 15 hours of battery in just 15 minutes, so even if you're short on time, a quick top-up ensures your watch is ready to go. This makes the Pixel Watch 4 extremely convenient for daily wear, workouts, or even short trips when charging options are limited. Connectivity is another area where the Pixel Watch 4 shines. With LTE support, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, you can stay connected without relying entirely on your phone. Receive calls, messages, and notifications directly on your wrist and enjoy smooth integration with Google services and apps. Whether it's checking your calendar, sending a quick reply, or navigating using Google Maps, the watch keeps you efficiently connected while on the go. Overall, the Google Pixel Watch 4 41mm is a stylish, functional, and smart smartwatch that caters to both tech enthusiasts and fitness-minded individuals. Its combination of polished design, responsive AI, comprehensive fitness tracking, and long-lasting battery makes it a standout choice in the 2025 smartwatch market. If you want a device that blends elegance with performance, helps you stay connected, and improves your health and fitness insights, the Pixel Watch 4 is an excellent investment that brings the power of Google right to your wrist.